Hello everyone, in this video, I share how to customize virtual effects for Windows 10 or 11 using PowerShell. Let's see what effect I have on right now. As you can see, I haven't turned on any effects. Let's start getting commands for PowerShell. First, download the command generator from the pinned comment. Please watch the tutorial video to get the download link. Once you have downloaded the file, unzip it. Open file index.html. Here, select the effect mode you want. If you need to customize each effect, select Custom. Turn effects on or off as you wish. After selecting the mode and customizing the effect, click the copy icon to copy the command. Now open PowerShell. Paste the commands and press Enter. OK. Log out and log in again or reboot to save the results. Check the status of the effects again. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, see you in another video.